So hey everyone, this is Nabil Khan and welcome back to another video. And in this video we are going to solve one lead code problem, which is the reverse linked list problem. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So we had given the problem that we had given the head of a single linked list and we had to reverse this list. So our head should be at the last position. So how we can do this? So I had mentioned the steps. So the first step is we had to start two pointers, the current pointer and the previous pointer. So let's just make this pointer. I will say list node current, and I will start this pointer at the head of our linked list. And I will make another node as list node previous, and I will point this as null. The second step is that we had to start our while loop and we had to iterate it till our current node becomes 0. So I will say while our current node is not equals to 0, not equals to null, and I will make a temporary node and I will point this temporary node to the next position of the current node. So I will say list node and I will name this as temp equals to current dot next, and I will just update the position of current dot next to previous. I will say current dot next equals to previous. I will update the previous position. I will say previous equals to current and current node equals to temp, and at the end I will just return the previous node. So it's completed. So I will try to run this code. So it's accepted and I will submit this code. So now you can see our code is accepted, and hope you like the video.